In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build anything in Webflow. Let's get started. Sign in to your Webflow account and click New Site. Choose a blank project, a template, or use the AI Site Builder to create a starting point for your website. Once your project opens, use the designer to add sections, headings, images, buttons, forms, videos, and other elements from the Add Elements panel. Customize the layout, colors, typography, spacing, and interactions to match your design. You can rearrange sections, add new pages, and build any type of website, from portfolios and blogs to business sites and landing pages. Preview your website on different screen sizes, make any final adjustments, and click Publish to put your site online. That's how to build anything in Webflow. Thanks for watching.